Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit in volatility 101s. Yeah, we are actually starting this trading. So if you're actually new in this particular or channel, or you are new in forex trading, please, this video is for you. Watch till the end, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video to as many as you can. If you are actually new in this forex trading, you want to learn more in forex trading, you want to learn how to be a professional forex trader, please don't forget to follow this video. I'll be dropping my Telegram links on my bio, so or my comment section, so that you can be able to reach out to me anything you need, anything you want. If you want to learn or be a profitable trader, you want to learn things of the trading, please punch it to my DM. Also in my Telegram channel, I'll be adding you up in my VIP Telegram channel, where you will learn, where I'll teach you everything I know about trading, everything you need to know about trading in that particular or Telegram channel or Telegram group. And also, if you're actually new in forex trading, I still have another opportunity for you. Maybe those of you that don't know how to trade, even when you got your signal. Some of you guys do buy signal stuff. When you buy your signals, you still end up blowing your account. You don't make any profit even with the signal. Sometimes if the profit goes loss, sometimes you couldn't take profit, but it went to loss, but you got small profit before, but you couldn't take it. I'll be teaching you guys everything you need to know. But if you don't have, because a lot of people don't really have time to learn, because it's going to take a while to learn completely. So some people don't have those time to learn. I have a good opportunity for you. I'll be trading your account for account management. Just punch it to my DM with your account. Please don't come below $100, and don't forget to come quickly as people are coming, because a lot of people that comes, I will first manage like 100 people's account before getting to any other point. And also, if you are in my VIP Telegram channel, I'll be sharing my signals every morning. I'll be sharing every day. I'll be sharing, giving you guys a very nice signals to trade with and make massive profit. So don't forget to come to my VIP Telegram channel, and don't forget to DM me for an account management if you're actually interested in forex trading that much. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys a quick tip or a quick strategy on how to be a profitable trader in market. Now, if you're actually a trader and you still a professional, but you still lose your accounts anytime you trade, now you don't have to really trade that much in order to be a successful trader. Just look into what exactly you are going into. Let me say, for instance, assuming that I took this market from this particular angle then to this direction, and I know fully well that this market is actually going to reach this particular place before it reverses. What I will do is that I will just, if I'm taking this trade here from here, then let me say from here, because I can't really get until I saw the reverse over here. So let me say I'm taking this trade from here, and I know exactly where the trade is going. I'm going here. Now if I'm taking this trade here, I don't know how profit or how lot size I'm going to use in this trade, but exactly I'm going to place my take profit here. Yes, I'm not going to go too much down. Let me just say, let me not be sentimental. Let me say here, I'll place my take profit here. Then I will definitely place my loss over here. My stop loss here, so that in case the market reverses, I will not have to lose too much of money or too much of equity. Then I'm close already, and I know fully whether if this market reverses here, then this market is actually going massively up, or it could go up a little, then start coming down. But I know exactly how the market works. If this market is actually opportune to be exactly where I'm putting it, that means this market is going to go massively down. So I'll put my take profit from here to here, if I'm not mistaken. So assuming that I started early, this market could have like given me a massive profit, and I could have taken a lot of profit, and I could have been out of this market not for a long time. So what am I trying to say? If you're actually a beginner, or if you are a professional trader, you still asking yourself why why are you losing so much in the market? This is the reason. You don't place your stop loss the way you're supposed to place it. You need to place your stop loss and take profit exact how it's supposed to be. So a lot of people predict. Let me give you guys an example. A lot of people actually got a signal or buy a signal that market is going to sell from here to this particular anchor, and what they do is that they'll place a trade from here to this place, hoping that the market is going to sell to this particular place, or they'll definitely place their lot size maybe from here to here. No, if you want to be a successful trader, you want to be a profitable trader, you have to go half of it. You can't take it up in market. You have to go half of it before you take it up. Now let me go to 30 minutes time frame. You see how this market reverses over here, and this market is actually going to go massively profit, if I'm not mistaken. This is actually a trick, and guess what, we are not actually falling for this trick. This actually is C pattern of sheep, but not really completed. So if you're actually a trader, I know what I'm talking about. So like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to as many as you can. Don't forget to hit me up on my Telegram channel, and we can actually have a nice conversation if I'm replying. So if I'm replying, hit me up. I'm going to be replying you till the end of the conversation. So hit me up right now. Let's have the opportunity to make massive profit together, and let's have the opportunity to learn more and more in trading markets. Let's go over to 1 minute time frame and see how the market is actually moving. Okay, this market is actually going to go massively profit, that is massively sell. But the fact of this market is that you guys are not going to be here to see it. But assuming that you are actually in my VIP Telegram channel, could have made more money in this market because I gave the signals in this particular trade. So go into my VIP Telegram channel. That's when you see how profitable it could be after this particular trade. And that's where you see how we made a lot of profit in this particular trade. Yes, because that's where everything is happening right now. So go now and go and check it out. Or DM me. I'll be adding you up in my VIP Telegram channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video to as many as you can. If you have friends that are actually a beginner, they want to learn more in forex trading, please don't forget to share this video to them. Let them watch it and tell me what they actually think about this video in the comment section. So I'll be growing a massively $20 in my next video, so that you guys will actually see it. I hope you guys, I just wish you guys in my VIP Telegram channel where you witness everything, every creativity, every season of it. You witness everything about forex trading. So if you're actually not in my Telegram channel, join now and make. Okay, this is actually a reversal. Okay, no, I didn't really see this trade very well before I placed it. This is actually a reversal because If you look at it in 1 day time frame, you see how, or this is the line, this is what you shake. Now you see that this market is going to reverse. This market is actually reversing. It's actually reversing over here. So, but we hope that the market will go profit, because market don't really go exactly how you planned sometimes. But I know fully well that if this market is going to sell, we are going to make a lot of profit in it. I'm not guessing. That's what I predicted, and it's going to actually work. Just stay in the market for a very long time, and you see how profitable it is. So, hit me up in my Telegram channel now or never. Okay, this is a reversal then. Now or never, or you could actually text me on my WhatsApp channel. So guys, we'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell me actually what you think about this video right now, and we'll see how upgrade we are going to make in our next video. Thank you, God bless you, and have a nice day. Peace out. So because of time, we ended the video on time, but this is what we'll make after the video.